Why would you add water to your sustainable strategy? By adding water to your sustainable strategy, you're not only helping the environment, but it also helps your business. You save time, you save money, and you save water, which is a resource. You can try to get some certification. They can give recognition to your buildings and also translate your efforts. And they will also give you a clear view on how your building is performing regarding water efficiency. One of the 3 buildings are leaking every year. So here are some measures that you can implement to improve your building and make it more water efficient. You can monitor your water meters, and you can also equip them with data logger or smart meters to get a view on the water consumption in your buildings and get alerts when a leak is detected. Leakages can increase your water bill from 10 to 60%. So it's also interesting to install automatic taps or economic shower heads to lower down your consumption. You can also reuse grey water or collect the rainwater to be more sustainable. I also suggest that you communicate about your engagement towards your team, that you get your team along with you in this journey. You can translate all the good results into your ESG reporting and share the good news. If you want to know more about how to get your building more sustainable regarding water, please book a demo with our team.